Hey guys, MIUI 7.2.16 has been released, so let's take a look at the changes and new features. The biggest new feature of this version is that the Photos app now has a new edit option which allows you to put text on your photos. So let's take a look at it here. So if I click here and click edit, and I go under here, you can see there's a new text option unlike last time. So if I tap here, I can easily put in text, like let's give it something simple here for this ship picture. Let's put ship. If I can spell it, that would be great. You can easily move it around. You can edit the text again. And you can have different options. For example, I can have it have a bubble if it's like someone talking. Obviously, this ship won't be saying ship. I could make it say capsize, that's mean. You can also change the color of it here with a lovely slider. And you can change the font, though the font selection is pretty limited. You only have 3 fonts, which is like somewhat serious, somewhat classy, and then somewhat bold, I guess. You can also change the opacity of it, which is the transparency of it. So like, let's say that I don't want this to be too obvious. So obviously this doesn't work well for the bubble. Let's just put it here. So you can do quite cool things. You can add watermarks to your photos, I guess, if you want, with this app. Then once you're done, just click save and finish. And that's the new text editing feature in the Photos app. Another new feature of this update is the ability to have multiple reminders for a calendar event. So if you look here, I'm in the MIUI calendar. If I click the plus here and scroll down, under reminders, I have the option to tick as many reminders as I want. Well, actually, as much as 5. 5 is the max. So I can have it remind me 5 minutes before the event, an hour before the event, a week before the event, and maybe 2 days ago. In the previous MIUI calendar, you can only set 2 reminders for an event. So that's a nice feature if you're very forgetful like me. There's also been some fixes in this version. For example, the settings app should not force close itself after you set up a fingerprint, so that's nice. And according to the MIUI team, this update is more focused on improving system performance. In terms of devices that will get this update, it's pretty much the same as the last few weeks, with the Redmi 1S still not getting this update, and we have again no reason why it's not getting this update. Yeah, that's a bit confusing. But Mi Max users rejoice. You guys have not been getting updates for a while because of the end beta, but guess what? The end beta is finally released to you guys in this update, so go ahead and update and enjoy that. Of course, a lot of NuGet features is still disabled in MIUI 8, so things like multi-window is still not there, but of course it's nice always to have a new NuGet APIs. In terms of devices that have a global ROM but still don't have a global developer ROM, the Redmi 4 series, so the 4 Prime and the 4A, still don't have the developer ROMs, and the Mi 5S still doesn't have a global developer ROM to this day. Again, we are not sure when the update will come or when they will get it. And for some devices like the Mi 5S, we are still, if I'm correct, on 8.0 and not 8.1. And 8.2 is rolling out. If you're on stable branch, 8.2 is rolling out, so that's great. That's about it. That's all in today's MIUI update. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, I'll plan to do this every week. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good day, guys. Bye.